I really shouldn't be making this video and going in depth into this stuff here, but I decided I would do so the kindness of my heart, ClickFunnels heart. I should not be sharing this. Okay, I'm uncomfortable talking about this stuff. Okay, we're going to cover how to make money with adult traffic, affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. Thirdly, remember that the best ads on adult entertainment sites are those which have not been designed according to boring standards. Something amateurish with strange images and even misleading will work better. It is true. That will work the best, guys, for your banner ads. But straight up, like, the best thing we can get out of that, what you can learn from that, is the best banners to do is amateur banners, okay? Things that are rare, things that stand out. Ugly works really, really well, okay? And, you know, you'll learn other high click-through rate things inside the course. And no, I'm not trying to pitch you on the course, but the course is by far one of the best courses, by far the best course out there, due to the fact it's one of the only courses out there that actually teach adult affiliate marketing. And you can make so much money in adult affiliate marketing. I've made over $100,000 in adult affiliate marketing. I'm going to go up to millions very, very soon, okay? Just so you know. And I'm teaching that inside the course for so cheap, bro. I really need to raise the price, but so many people are getting in it, and I know that some people don't have a huge budget, so that's why I had it at the price it's at. So, whatever. And then what networks should you use for traffic? Here's a list. I've mentioned this several times. Traffic Junkie, Arrow Advertising, XOClick, Traffic Stars, and Juicy Ads. And, you know, there's many, many more. They didn't even mention PlugRush. PlugRush is another really good one. Okay, so remember that geolocation is critical. Yeah, so whatever offer you're promoting, you need to basically target the exact country. And that's easy with any platform. There has to be geo-targeting, otherwise no one's going to use the traffic platform, okay? The only exception is Instagram influencers or influencers in general with audiences all skewed, and you can't really do targeting on that. But you can know the geos that are in it. How to make money with an adult blog. All right. So, you know, if you want to do free traffic, you can rank for all sorts of things. You can make your own website, and you can rank for certain offers. Okay. So if you're on Crack Revenue, the best adult traffic, adult network for offers, then you can be on their network. You can literally make review articles for certain offers and rank for them and all that stuff. You can add your own bonuses and things like that. Okay. So you want to research the market. They're saying you want to establish a niche. Duh, right? You want to establish a niche. Okay. Create your brand. Write your first post. Yeah. You got to take action. You got to get started. And this is if you want to do free traffic. Publish very frequently. Reach out to successful bloggers. Maybe even share traffic with one another. Keep track of your data. Of course, you need something to track your data. Then monetize with affiliate marketing. And final thoughts on creating a successful adult blog is, so this is from Charles Ngo, however you pronounce his name. And I actually like his website here. It's really good. Breakdown of the countries, okay? So basically tier 1 countries, yeah. So he's mentioning this, which basically tier 1 countries, they have more competition, okay? But they do have the highest volume. They are very competitive because all the big guys will play inside of those geos and not the other ones. So you can take advantage of these geos, tier 2, tier 3, okay? So take a long look at this, take notes about it. That, if you do just tier 3 and find offers that can allow tier 3 countries, then you can crush it with just that, okay? The volume, yeah, it says right here, it's lower, and it is. And competition is lower though too, and it's way cheaper because of that fact. Okay, so you can really crush it inside of 3rd tier countries, and you know, I just run inside the tier 1 now, but because I don't want to have to translate. But literally, it's worth your time to translate your landing pages and promote offers that can allow this. And remember, you can promote mainstream offers. You don't have to promote adult offer. I mentioned this multiple times. Strategies for picking countries. Okay, we'll skip that, and then right here. Tips on going international. So you should do like the flag or the actual language. Okay, the font should be their actual language for your ad. Okay, and these are the different ones. Here's AdBucks is a new one, and Traffic Force, Traffic Factory I didn't mention before. Different networks is ClickDealer, Convert to Media, Mundo Media, and Ads iMillis or whatever that is. I don't use that. I don't use any of these. I have ClickDealer, don't use it. I have Convert to Media, don't use it. But I do use Crack Revenue, and I use Max Bounty and ClickBank. Okay, so those are the 3 I use. Those are 3 I'm sure you're going to use, and you can build a big funnel and promote offers all across the board. Okay, next thing here is how to make money with Crack Revenue Affiliate Network. Okay, so This is a really, really good network, guys, and I've made over 100 grand. I've showed you guys. Okay, I'll make more videos about it. Don't have it pulled up right now, sorry. But you've got to target the adult offers that are high converting, and they'll tell you, okay, the top ones. They have a slider thing that basically shows you the top converting offers that you should do. All right, so highly recommend that. And wake up, look at me, wake up, pay attention, let's go. All right, more affiliate feature. Yeah, dude, they actually are one of the most high-tech CPA networks out there, okay? And you're gonna be surprised, like if you're not in it, you're gonna be surprised how many tools they have available for people. It's insane, okay? Next, we're going to go to the top ranked traffic sources here. So number 1 is Exoclick, and I can definitely agree with that. Ad XXX, I don't know about that one. I couldn't agree fully. Traffic Junkie definitely is up there. They didn't spell it right. Plug Rush, definitely next. Traffic Hunt, don't really recommend it. Arrow Advertising, I do recommend that. Juicy Ads, definitely recommend that. Traffic Factory, recommend that. Propeller Ads, 100% recommend it. Red on Red, not so much. And why you should use paid traffic? Because instantly, bro, you can get traffic instantly, okay, to your funnel. You start making commissions, and it's targeted too, so it's not like you're shooting into the dark. Like, you target the exact people, okay? You just need the numbers to work out. And how do you do that? You have a profitable funnel that for every dollar you spend on traffic to send people there, you are making way more back. And then you can just keep pushing traffic through and through and through until it reaches break even, and then you can just turn off your ad sets and then come up with a new hook, which is like basically a new ad and new copy to bring people in. And then you can scale again and again. You know, I've got campaigns that have been running for months on months, okay? Just running with even less than $100 a day into ad spend, okay? And so you don't need to do $1,000 a day. You can totally maintain something that just $50 a day, like I'm doing, okay? With several different ad campaigns. And some days I don't even look at it, because all you need to do is just check your network, check that you're making conversions more than how much you spend per day, and you're set. Okay, so I just wanted to cover that. If you're interested in crushing it with adult affiliate marketing, you can get the mega bundle and straight up get all my courses for a super affordable price and investment, or you can just get the straight up adult course. And literally, this is easy for anyone. If I can do it, you can do it. This is one of the biggest underground making money opportunities, and I'll see you inside, my friends, and peace out.